The real estate market is still hot, but who is buying the homes? Have you heard about iBuyers? An iBuyer or instant buyer is a real estate company that uses technology to buy and resell homes quickly. The biggest iBuyers are Opendoor, Zillow Offers, and Offerpad, based on the real estate transaction volume. The iBuyers have purchased about 2,850 homes over the last 3 months in Phoenix area. That represents almost 9% of resale purchases. We can see that iBuyers, especially Opendoor and Zillow, have increased their inventory massively. Once an iBuyer purchases a house, they quickly spruce it up and resell it, ideally for more than bought it for. This difference, the spread between the purchase and resale price, is price appreciation. This is one of the reasons why the prices are going up in Phoenix. To compete with iBuyers is hard, but still possible. If you want more information, please contact me. Thank you for watching. Maggie Biani, Certified Mortgage Advisor with Nova Home Loans.